Welcome back. So when you have registered and you have logged into the app, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get. All right. So okay, when you register, you are given like 3,000 naira free. All right, you're given like 3,000 naira free, which you can use to buy. Um, you can use to purchase some fund. Okay, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to demonstrate. Okay, I'm going to sell. I'm going to first of all sell um, a particular fund I bought yesterday. All right, which is due. These are some of the funds I bought so far. All right, so this one is due. Each time you buy a fund, it's going to take like 24 hours before you can sell it. So this one that you can see sell here is because of I bought it yesterday and it's past 24 hours already. I bought this around 16:15. That's about 4:15 yesterday, and this is 4:45. So I have to have even sold this uh, thing. So if I sell this now, I'm going to make about 442 naira 50 kobo. All right. So after clicking on sell, it says sell fund successful, confirm. All right. So it's going to now move from the buying section to the selling section. So after a few, like 2 minutes, 1 minute, or after 2 minutes, 1 minute or thereabout, the funds will now be added to my available balance. If you can check here, you see that this is currently 329 naira in my available balance. So when the selling is actually completed, the money is going to now come to this. It's going to come to this place. All right, I'm still waiting for. All right, it's going to appear very soon. Good. You can see it now. So this is 8,272. All right. So now I want to show you how to buy a fund. How to buy a fund. All right. If you just registered, you are entitled to like a coupon that you can buy like two funds. Each fund is 1,500 naira per fund. You can buy two funds at a go. So in that case, you just type two here, and then you select this use coupon experience. They will give you four, which you can use two times. Is you use it the first day and the second day. Then to continue, you have to roll in some money. You have to put in some money actually. So since each fund is 1.5, I can actually with 8k I can buy like let me see. I should be able to buy like 5 funds. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I can buy like 5 funds, 7.5. All right, so I will buy. All right, so by by tomorrow. All right, so by tomorrow at about the same time, it will be 24 hours. All right, okay, this is the new fund I just bought. Now you can see 00. So it will be counting down. All right, till 24 hours is complete. So when 24 hours is complete, I'm going to make like over 400 naira on this 7.5 that I've rolled in. Okay, so in about 4 hours time, this fund will be ready for me to sell. Then in about a couple of hours again, this fund will be ready again for me to sell. Okay, so that is an example of how to buy a fund. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to withdraw. I'm going to demonstrate how to withdraw this. The minimum you can withdraw from this platform is 600 naira, and I have 700 here. So I'm going to withdraw 700 naira, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So when you come to the home page here, you just click on withdraw. All right. But before that, you must have attached your bank details. You must have bind your bank details. So in order to do that, let's do that first before I show you how to do. So you click on my here, then you come to your bank account here, then you add it. But because of I've already added my bank details, that's why it's showing modification, and I'm not ready to modify it. So in your own case, it will show add bank. Then you can add the bank you want to be receiving your money in. Alright, just add any Nigerian bank you're using is okay. Alright, so alright, I come to the earnings here. I can withdraw 700 naira. Alright, so I come to withdraw. Then I enter the amount I want to withdraw, 700. Okay, so okay, they're going to the app is going to, or the company is going to take 2%, so that's 14 naira. So actually it's 606 naira that will arrive my bank. I will arrive my bank account. So I'll just click on withdraw. Then I enter my password. Alright, so once I've done that, the funds will be on its way to my account. So when you enter your password, just click validation. That's all. The fund will go straight to your account.